Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as promised, here is the video on how to create citations by using the website citationmachine.net. So first thing that we have to do is we have to type in citation machine. You can just do a simple Google search and it should show up like this. Click on citation machine and it will pop up with this website here. The first step after you've gone to citationmachine.net is to click on the Create Citations button. Once you click on that button, do not use the MLA format that some of you have used in like middle school or the English department. In social studies, we use the APA format. So we're going to click on APA. And since for most of your projects, since we're doing this on Chromebooks, and most websites now have the same information as books these days, we're going to click on website here. This allows us to actually just type in a website URL or the links up here at the top. These are also called URLs, the links, and you can copy and paste it into this place here. So let me quickly find something about Mars. So let's see here. I'm going to just use this website that I have actually linked already onto the document of a map of Mars. So we're going to use this as our practice. So I'm going to copy the URL, put it into the search websites here, paste it, and hit search websites. So what Citation Machine does, it searches the entire internet to find that website. And if you actually have the URL, it will always be underneath here, that search websites. You're going to hit that select button there, and then the website will tell you what it's found. So do not worry about anything that it could not find. Basic citation practices are if you can't find a certain piece of information, you don't include it. You don't even say no information given or anything. You just do not include it. So I'm going to you then have to hit final step. And it'll take us here. So it's going to shows us the article title, contributors, or the authors typically, the URL, so that link over here that we copied and pasted, when it was published, and then the one thing we do have to add is the date accessed, or the date that you went to the website. And the easiest, so for me, since I'm doing this on Saturday, I just easiest thing to do is just click on today, and this little button here, and it automatically fills in the date for you. If you remember going to that website at a different day, then use that different date as well instead. Once you have double checked all of this information, hit Create Citation, and I'll create this citation here for you. Oh, there we go. I'll create a citation here, and all you have to do now is hit the Copy button, and then you just go to your document, the document that I've made for you, that you're going to be putting all of this information into, and paste it into the citations column. You're going to do this for every single website that you use because we have to give credit to where we get the information from. And we also have to make sure, for example, that the information is reliable. The sources we're using are reliable sources as well. So there you have it. This is how to do a citation, create a citation using the APA format on citationmachine.net. So have a wonderful weekend. Please make sure you get all of this done by Monday, February 25th, so that we can keep going. All right, have a good weekend.